Welcome to this GNN special, where we explore important environmental issues. Today, we will be discussing a topic that has been causing quite a stir: the autumn olive. The autumn olive is an invasive species that was originally introduced to the United States as a means of soil erosion control and as a food source for wildlife. However, it has since spread like wildfire, has taken over large areas of land, displacing native plant species. It's not all that nutritious for birds and is altering ecosystem dynamics. It's like the plant version of a house guest who never leaves. The scientific name of the autumn olive is Elaeagnus umbellata. It's a member of the Elaeagnaceae family, which is a small family of around 50 species of shrubs and small trees. The autumn olive is native to Asia, specifically China, Japan and Korea, but has been introduced to many other parts of the world, including Europe, Africa, and North America. Like a backpacker who never stops traveling, this plant gets around. There are a variety of methods that can be used to control the spread of the autumn olive. One of the most effective methods is using goats to eat the plants. Goats are known to be highly effective at controlling invasive plant species, and they can also help to control the spread of the autumn olive by eating the seeds and seedlings. Goats are the bouncers of the plant ecosystem and will eject those that do not behave. Goodbye autumn olive. Additionally, manual and chemical methods can also be used to control the plant. However, it is important to note that a combination of methods is often more effective than any single method, just like having a balanced diet and workout routine. It's important that we raise awareness about the impacts of invasive species like the autumn olive and work together to find solutions to control them. Thank you for joining us today and educating us about the autumn olive. And remember, together we can make a difference, one autumn olive at a time.